For years, we've strived for absolute perfection in technology. Today, I believe we finally reached that pinnacle.
Eagle Corporation, for a safer tomorrow.
Quarantine, set for 7.
You can only keep a man caged for so long.
We need to talk to you about this woman. Woman.
We need to know everything.
She's a stripper. I don't know anything else. So what are you trying to tell me?
That this is no ordinary woman. She's part of a program called Project Night Train. She's bioengineered, designed to infiltrate, to blend in. The perfect soldier. But we had a problem at the facility. They all escaped. We captured all of them, except her. She blended in. She was designed for that. She works on targets, and you have become her target. Bring her down, or we bring you down. We'll give you the right tools for the job. Lure her in, trap her. But remain vigilant. You must remain vigilant at all times.
Armed.
I only knew one thing. I wasn't going back to that damn office job.